The Ariete main battle tank, also referred as the C1, was developed by OTO Melara and Fiat. It is named in honor to Italian Ariete Armored Division, which fought during World War II. This main battle tank was intended to replace aging fleet of M60A1 in service with Italian Army. First prototype of the C1 Ariete was revealed in 1986, and 6 pre-production tanks were built in 1989. It entered service with Italian Army in 1995. Italy operates 200 MBTs of this type. This main battle tank is protected with composite armor similar to the British Chaban. Add-on armor kits can be fitted for a higher level of protection. Ariete is armed with a 120mm smoothbore gun, developed by OTO Melara. It fires a full range of standard NATO ammunition. This gun is loaded manually. Only 15 rounds of ammunition are stored in the turret bustle and are ready to use. The rest of ammunition is stored at the front of the hull. Tank's Galileo fire control system shares many components with the fire control system installed on Centauro 105mm wheeled tank destroyer. Secondary armament consists of 2 7.62mm machine guns. One of them is mounted coaxially with the main gun, while the other is placed on top of the roof. The Ariete is powered by an IVECO V12 turbocharged multi-fuel diesel engine, developing 1,300 horsepower. This engine operates on diesel fuel. However, it can be also modified in field conditions to run on petrol, jet fuel, or kerosene. IVECO company also provided other automotive components for this tank. Tracks and some chassis components of the Ariete is similar to those of the German Leopard 2 MBT. Ariete K2 was revealed in 2005. It has a modular armor, 120mm smoothbore gun, fitted with an autoloader, hydropneumatic suspension, 1,500 HP engine, and more advanced fire control system. C2 Ariete is an extensively upgraded version of the baseline C1 Ariete under the AMV upgrade program. A prototype was revealed in 2022. It has increased engine power, add-on modular armor, and some other improvements. Armored plated was added to the hull for increased protection against mine blasts. Add-on armor protection of this tank can be tailored for peacekeeping operations, as well as operations during conventional war. In 2023, Italian MOD ordered for the upgrade of 90 tanks to the C2 standard, with an option for another 35 tanks. Deliveries are planned to begin in 2025 and should be completed in 2032. Thanks for watching.